welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to install my Ring doorbell. Alright guys, so before we head on with this video, if you like this type of content, make sure to subscribe right now to my channel before we head on with this video. Alright guys, so this doorbell thing is super easy to install on your phone. I'm in disbelief, like I literally did it in 2 seconds. But the reason why I'm gonna use Gorilla is because in my complex, I don't think we're really allowed to drill holes on our door or the wall that's next to the door because it's an apartment and it does not belong to us. We are just renting. I had a neighbor who told me that she used Gorilla Tape and I was like, oh my god, good idea. So I went ahead and bought it and I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. So another thing that I also realized that a lot of people didn't get, I've been watching videos of how to install the Ring wireless and no one talked about getting a chime. I literally had to call them and ask them what to do because my problem is that basically I was heading to get the Ring and I was gonna install it instead of my doorbell ring, my actual one. But the reason why I wasn't able to do it is because it's not 4 feet tall. And that's the problem, or else I would have just done it like that, which is way easier because you don't have to get a chime, right? But it's okay because the chime is another thing that you can get, which is not that expensive. I heard a lot of cool stuff about the chime. You can also change the rings for your doorbell. The reason why you have to get a chime is because if you're gonna install your Ring wireless, so like I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna install it on my door. Basically, the chime is something that you just connect on your wall and it's gonna ring. So basically when someone's gonna press on this button, it's gonna ring to your chime and then the chime is gonna echo in your whole place. So if you have a house, you might have to get a few more of these, especially for each floor. I heard it's pretty loud and I will check that out later. But yeah, so I just bought one for now, but if we do need 2, I will get 2, but I don't think we will. So yeah, I'm super excited. So basically, I'm going through the steps right now of how to install your Ring doorbell and I literally already finished and it took me like 1 second. All you have to do is it's gonna ask you to scan your QR code, which comes with your box. Yeah, and then you just follow the steps all the way along. But this is the app that you want to download. So guys, download your Ring app and then follow the steps through. I'm already in the process of installing my chime, which I was like, wait, I thought I wasn't done installing my doorbell, but apparently I am. So and now I'm gonna do the chime real quick. The chime is so tiny, it's this small. So this you just want to plug in your wall just like that. Until I do that, I'm gonna show you guys real quick. So basically what you're gonna do is hold it so it's like that. You're gonna put it right here. Make sure that it's nice and tight. Alright guys, honestly I don't know what I'm doing exactly because I suck at this. I basically I put some tape here all along and then I was just gonna install it like this against the door and then I was gonna do the same thing on this side and then yeah, just put it like that against the door because I just can't think of any other ways. I'm not allowed to put anything on the wall and I can't replace it on the doorbell because it's too low. So let's go put it on the door and see what it looks like. Alright, not bad. Alright guys, so here is my chime. I think I found my official sound that I want. I don't know. I'm gonna play around with it and see what's best. There's one sound that's so funny. Let me try it. Let's see her reaction right there. Okay, so I think I'm gonna stick to that. But basically, your chime, all you have to do is go on your Ring app and then just set up your device for the chime and it will walk you through it just like it did with the Ring and it's super easy. Yeah, so one thing I forgot to do when I put the Ring up was to screw the bottom so that no one can take your battery away. So I'm gonna do that after and then I'm gonna show you guys. And then another thing is you get this little sticker and I highly recommend you guys to put this on your door so people are aware. I'm super excited now because I finally have my Ring. I think I'm just gonna put tape on top of the original doorbell because I don't want anyone to ring that bell. I want people to ring my ring bell. I hope this video was helpful. I know it was like a quick video, but I just want to show you guys other ways that you can install your Ring without damaging anything and getting in trouble. They have other ways to install your Ring, which is obviously the way I wanted to do it, but I can't. So that's how I'm just gonna have to deal with it with this Gorilla Tape until we move or whatever. But I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to like, share, comment down below, and guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, see you next time. Bye!